Hey everybody, welcome back here on Good Day Kansas. We are just outside of a home here in East Wichita, which means we are with Wichita Home Works talking about an exterior project they're working on right now. We got Nate with us, the president. Always great to see you, Nate.
Yeah, thanks for coming out.
Yeah, you guys, it's getting chillier outside, but you guys are still working hard on these exterior projects.
Yeah,
it is. It's a nice day today. But tell us what's going on here.
Yeah, so client here had an existing concrete patio out here, and they wanted to be able to enclose that, get a little bit of shade. They're not looking for something that was temperature controlled, but we are actually going to add a screenies system, so that screens it in, keeps all the bugs out, keeps the leaves out, that sort of thing. So should still be a really nice space for them to use, and it's coming along well. Yeah,
and I think something of note here too is that you guys make this to where it feels like it's almost like part of the original structure. Just looking at the side here, it's like you guys do a great job of not making it look out of place, I guess.
That's with additions or like add-ons to existing homes, that's one of our biggest goals always, is to make it look like that's how it was always built.
Yeah.
And with this one we wanted to keep the same style, keep the same look, but as you can see, it blends in nicely, and it's a great addition to the house.
Yeah, when it comes into those add-ons, tell us about that value that it brings to an original house.
Oh yeah, I mean, in terms of like when we close something in, like an actual room addition, obviously you're gaining square footage. Usually we're adding like a bathroom or a bedroom or something like that with it. So those things are all great things that you can definitely get your value back out of it in resale. And even something like this, it's not necessarily considered livable, square footage, but it adds that extra value to the home. Now you've got a great covered space off the back of the house that you can use for parties and get-togethers. Keep the bugs out of there.
And Nate, as an expert in home construction, what are some advantages of doing something straight off of a home like this, or something versus like a gazebo that's a little bit off of the house?
Sure. Well, one of the biggest things that you hear in like real estate is location, location, location. So obviously if you don't have to go out into the elements or a long ways away from your existing home, if it's right there outside the door, it makes it so much easier to bring food in and out, to access it when the rain's coming down or snowstorm. You don't have to get out in the open. So sometimes what we see is like a gazebo, it's not used as often because it's a little bit more work to use it, and you do have to go out into the elements.
Yeah, so whatever home construction project you're looking for, addition, remodel, Wichita Home Works is your place to go. I'm excited to see this one as it moves along here. How can people get more information and get that started with you guys?
They can visit us on the web at wichitahomeworks.com or give us a call at 316-303-4485.
Even as the weather gets colder, Wichita Home Works still going full force, as you can see behind us here during this winter season. Thanks for being with us today, Nate.
Yep.
We have more on Good Day Kansas coming up right after this.